Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, to India Fashion. I hope you all are doing well and doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Today, I'm presenting beautiful asymmetric layered bob haircut ideas. I hope you like the video. And before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notifications of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily. So guys, I know you are waiting of my video. So your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topping. So let's start the video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can get your favorite one haircut with your favorite fashion hair color and hairstyle as well. While I am presenting beautiful asymmetric layered bob haircut ideas with bangs, with undercut haircuts, without bangs, with fashion hair color, with funky hair color, and with stringy and streak hair color as well. You can select your favorite hair color and hairstyle according to your personality and choice. So guys, don't waste the time. Just take a screenshot of your favorite one haircut with your favorite one fashion hair color and go to your hairstylist and get this hairstyle as early as possible as you wash them. And don't forget to share with me through comment section that which haircut and hair color you select for yourself for your hairstyling. You can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend always. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support is really honor to me and give me energy and boost me to make video for you guys according to your choice next. So guys, I will be there in next video with one of your another favorite topic. Till then, take care yourself. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you all and have a great hair day.